Okay, I start recording again. Okay, we are in number 4, right? Okay, a
Yes.
conclusion that the IV did not affect a conclusion that the IV did not have an effect on the DB when in reality it did.
B.
B.
B, false negative. We're almost done, guys. 4 more slides. Number repetitivity, the A is A, interval recording, B, contability, C, force, intensity, severity, D, frequency, or E, latency.
B.
B. Count. Countability.
Number 2, rate, the AK is?
Frequency.
Well, yeah.
This one is tricky. I was confused,
Yeah.
but
Past the big ABA says it is, I think.
I found something in Cooper, and I'm going to show you in the next slide. Number 3, response latency, the AK is A, interval recording, C, force, intensity, severity, or E, latency.
Latency.
E.
E. Number 4, magnitude is the same
Force.
as force. Oh, can I say it's the same as, or it has to be an AK? Because they're not
It
the
is.
same. Or is the
It
same?
is the same.
It's the
Yes.
same. Okay. I don't want to get in trouble.
Mhm.
Okay. Number 5, time sampling,
Interval
Interval
recording.
recording.
interval recording. Yes. Oh, no, this one. Okay, number 1, instance of a response class repeatedly through time. A, interval
Frequency.
recording.
Frequency.
Yeah, it's frequency. And I put that Cooper page, and I found it on the glossary
Mhm.
because a lot of people get confused with frequency and rate.
Mm-hmm.
And I know frequency, rate and frequency is count, but the difference is that is
Through time.
so that this on the frequency rate.
Your mic is
I'm
coming in
getting,
and out.
I'm getting bad audio.
But we do have to keep in mind that in the task list, 4th edition, it has frequency the same as count.
Mm-hmm.
So if they do the test based on the task list, then frequency would be the same as count.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
But it's tricky, yeah.
Yeah, I know.
As long as
Cooper
it's not
does
the
say
same as
frequency.
rate. As long as it's not
Cooper-
the same as rate, then.
Yeah.
Huh?
As long as it's not the same as rate.
Well,
Right.
that's the thing. Cooper says its frequency is the same as rate.
Yeah, just
But if
because
they
it's
if they
with
have
the
both
time.
options,
The biggest difference I think is that rate is, I think the keyword there is if it has to say per,
ratio.
PER, per.
Yeah.
It
Can you
has
repeat that?
the word per, PER,
Mhm.
is the keyword. So it has to be like an average through time, not just through time. It has to be an average.
Mhm.
I think that's the biggest difference between them.
So that would be the answer to number 2. Ratio of count per.
That's rate.
Exactly.
And rate is not there, so you can add
Right.
one.
Right.
No, we have rate, and the
Right.
IK for rate frequency.
No,
But I
but the next
think
slide, there's no rate as an option for the answers. Yeah, that one.
okay.
So you can write F.
So that's the
Mhm.
ratio. Hold on.
Something wrong with your mic, Minerva.
Yeah.
Is that better?
No, not yet.
Can you hear me now?
Better.
Better now.
Okay.
Minerva, can you go for a second to the previous slide for a second, please?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so okay, for 20, now I'm thinking about for slide number 20. For the first one, does it say in Cooper that this is the definition of rate? I mean, for frequency in Cooper?
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the definition that Cooper has. I just add average and pair.
Oh, you just added that?
Yeah, I add that whenever you was describing the rate.
Yeah, I was describing rate, but you're saying that's frequency.
But that's
Mhm.
frequency.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you should remove
So
per from
remove
this
that,
one.
right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
Remove per.
all I was
Okay.
saying was the difference between frequency and rate is that rate is more of an average through time,
Oh, okay.
Per.
and that the key word is per. So if you say miles per hour, it's not
That's
the same
right.
as saying miles throughout his entire life. You know?
Oh, okay, I see.
You know, how many
Okay.
miles did he drive his car throughout his entire life?
Mm-hmm.
It's not the same as miles per hour, because you're getting an average.
Oh, okay. I see. Yeah, I got it. So then
So-
with what they were saying about number 2, a ratio camper observation time is also rate.
Yeah,
It is rate.
this
So here it
is
would be
rate.
if
Okay.
rate is equal to frequency. So if rate is AKA for frequency, then this would be D as well,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
Based on the slide, on the previous slide.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Like I said, I was changing like some of the things the last minute. So
Okay.
number 3, elapsed times from the onset of a stimulus.
Latency.
Latency. Volume.
Latency is
Intensity. D.
B.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's the magnitude and the
Number
severity.
5, a measurement of the presence or absence of behavior within a specific time interval.
A.
IRT. I mean, in interval recording.
Interval recordings is continuous.
Minerva for 3 is latency. C, not A.
C.
Oh. Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, 2 more slides. Okay, number 1, plan activity check, aka is A, point by point IOA, point by point agreement ratio, B, artifact, C, IOA, D, outcome recording, or E, play check.
E.
Play check.
1.
E. Okay, number 2, permanent product,
D.
Outcome recording.
outcome recording. Number 3, measurement artifacts,
Artifacts.
B, artifacts. Number 4, inter-observer agreement,
IOA.
C.
C, IOA. And 5, interval by interval IOA,
That's
A.
point to point IOA.
point by point IOA, point by point agreement ratio. Okay, number 1, momentary time sampling groups,
D, plat check.
play check. Number 2, the product of the environment produced by a behavior,
E. Oh no, hold on.
Yeah, outcome
Artifacts.
recording.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Artifact.
What's
E.
that?
Number 3, 2 or more independent observers reporting the same measurement in the same event.
Is 2 supposed to be A?
A. Yeah, 2 is A. The product of the environment produced by A.
No.
No, it's permanent.
Yeah, it is. It
so
is
it's outcome
permanent product. Yeah.
Outcome recording. Okay, number 3, 2 or more independent observers reporting the same measurement in the same event.
IOA.
IOA.
B.
B. Number 4, threats to measure validity.
That would be A.
That'll be
Artifacts.
Artifacts.
And number 5, number of intervals both recorders are in agreement over total of intervals times 100.
C.
Point to point, point by point, or point by point agreement ratio. Okay, that was the last one.
Good
That's
job,
it?
Minerva.
Yeah, that's it.
Oh,
Yeah, section 6 it was short.
that was fun.
This was pretty good. Thank you, Minerva.
Thank you,
Thank
Minerva.
you
It was
so
really
much.
good.
I'm gonna try to fix the ones that I put it wrong, and then I'm gonna put the what is it, the PowerPoint on the Google Classroom. You can have the ability of that.
So this number 5, which IOA is this one? The number of intervals both recorders are. This is point
That
by
one
point.
is
You read mine. I was gonna ask the same question.
what was it?
Yeah. The
The
did you
point
disconnect
Oh,
it?
I'm sorry.
If you go back to that one, what is this other name for this one on past the big? Because I have not seen this before.
It's interval by interval.
Interval by interval, IOA.
Interval by interval. Okay.
Yes.
Interval by interval.
Yeah.
So the AKA for interval by interval is point by point.
Point by point and
Yes.
point by point agreement ratio.
Okay. All right. I didn't know that. Thanks.
Yeah. Thank you.
Mhm.
It's awesome.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
so
Minerva.
much.
Thank
Thank
you.
you
Bye,
so much.
everyone.